Hey folks, it's Grice73. How's everything? You know, people can tell that I come from Long Island. Long Island, and coffee and so many other words I use. Everybody says to me, oh, I know where you come from. You come from Long Island. Long Island. And you know what's funny? I just find myself saying these things without even noticing it. Listening to myself on video and stuff. Oh my God, I'm so funny. Well, what you're about to hear is me testing out my Long Islandness, if I can call it that. So enjoy the video, and don't forget, thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Long Island, coffee, Long Island. Do I really sound like I come from Long Island? If I don't, then I got a problem. But it's coffee and tea from Long Island. Long Island. Do I really sound like that? Holy cow! Somebody help me. I come from Long Island and I drink my coffee in the car. I drink my coffee in the car when I'm driving on Long Island, on the Long Island Expressway. Long Island, I really sound so odd. Long Island. Oh well. I drink my coffee and my bagel driving on the LIE, the Long Island Expressway. Oh, Lord, help me. Do I really sound like that? Oh, my God. I live on Long Island. I drink my coffee made from water. I'm surrounded by Jones Beach. I drive on the Long Island Expressway, drinking my coffee in the car. Really does sound like I come from Long Island. Yeehaw. I live on Long Island. Long Island, New York. I eat my Italian bread on Long Island. Long Island. Drinking my coffee made from water. Oh my. I really do sound like a Long Islander. Oh my. So, let's see. I drink my water that I use to make the coffee when I live on Long Island. There you go. That sounds right. So,